I purchased a JOTAG beach dolly for my Sunfish sailing dinghy. This model also fits laser dinghies. Assembly was a simple matter of removing a few bolts, assembling the various square tubes into the brackets, and putting the bolts back in. I used a pair of adjustable wrenches, but if you have a ratchet, that would speed things up for you. The total assembly process took me less than 30 minutes. Several of the square tubes are drilled symmetrically in 2 different dimensions, so they can go in either orientation. While the centerline tube can go in either orientation, you need to pay attention to the orientation of the bolts that attach it to the front centerline tube, as those are only drilled in 1 dimension. The foam-filled wheels just slip on and are held by cotter pins. If you replace the nylon lock nuts on these 2 bolts with wing nuts, you can easily split the dolly in half if needed. The laser version of this dolly comes with gunwale side supports just above the strap, but they are not recommended for the Sunfish. This probably isn't the official way to get your dinghy onto the dolly, but it worked for me. The dolly has one job, which is to make it easy to move your dinghy around, and it works well. My only complaint about the quality is that I don't expect this brand sticker to last very long, as it was already peeling off when I received it.